Okay, so I'm doing an accuracy test of my M4 KingArms. I'll be shooting from like, how far is it from here down to here? Just estimate. 60 feet.
65 feet, folks.
All right. He's gonna move, I hope. There he comes. Come here, Louie. Come on, Louie.
Shoot it once and then he'll move. Hey, Grandpa, leave it. Look at this.
Alrighty. So I did it. There's some dents. I didn't puncture it though. Yeah. So yeah, I have a dent on the bottom, right there. Dent right. Can't really see it, but it's a big one right there, kinda. And this was from like right here where I'm standing to up there. Now I'm gonna smash this. I'm gonna shoot it at close range now. So let's go at close range. Close range shooting. I have a mid cap round magazine. I need my high cap magazine. So I'm gonna go get that. Set up right there. Alright, let me get my
Huh? Oh. Louis, that's very exciting. You weren't scared of the gun?
Okay, watch out. The wrong way. Okay.
Come here, Louis.
Let's shoot this thing from inside.
What?
Here we go. Did y'all see that? That was cool. Now let's... Gosh, this thing is deadly. I'm destroying this thing. it. I used to have a mag pull on this one too. But nope, I am here, Mimi, get this on video. Okay, you see that? Yes, you do. I'm destroying this thing.
What are you doing?
Shooting it.
What?
And that's it. I absolutely destroyed that.
You got a bullet?
Yep. Those were with 20 gram BBs. So if you're ever interested in getting this gun, you could get it at Dick's. Hey dog, no! Get the ball. Okay. So the first shot I took, oh my gosh, I almost ripped this thing in half. So I didn't do much damage, just kidding, I destroyed this.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. I don't know what the first shot was like, but I'll see that in the video. I might make it in slow motion. But yeah, I'm gonna shoot this. Shoot it apart. Here, Mimi, can you get me as I shoot this apart? Here,
What?
videotape it. Videotape. Come over here.
Is this going right now?
Yeah.
It says password incorrect.
Just leave it.
Say okay. Won't that come after me?
Not if I shoot it like this. Same thing. Shoot it while it's inside here. There. It's in half, but I'm just gonna end its misery.
You might shoot out our window. I don't know if I got that.
Okay, well, let's do it again.
Wait, don't go. Yeah.
What?
Here, let's brush it.
Alright, you can end it now.